Google Search Console Tips and Tricks for 2025. I'm creating updated tutorial related to Google Search Console because Search Console has added new features. So let's go and see how we can quickly and easily use this tool made available by Google for free for website owners to add their website so that Search Console can show us how it's performing in Google search. If there are any problems that Google is facing on the website, it will all be shown in Google Search Console reports. So first thing is first, the latest edition of Google Search Console has this help section through pressing on the question mark icon, which is actually great because you can move it left, right, or let's imagine we're looking at indexing reports. While we're there, if we press on the question mark icon, the help section actually shows us insights for that particular report, which is great. So let's go and add our website. If you've never used Search Console, when you log in, Search Console will tell you to add a property. Property basically means your website. So here in my example, let's add a property. In 2025, we have two different options to verify our website. One is using the domain method. The other one is URL prefix method. URL prefix is your website's address. So we can actually do that, paste that in there and press continue. There are different ways to verify a website, such as HTML file upload, inserting meta tag. So I'll take this website as an example so that I can actually show you. So let's select the URL prefix method and let's press continue. So now Search Console is trying to verify the property being our website address. It's saying, okay, how do you want to verify the ownership of that website? I can download a file and upload to my web server. So now I can log into my cPanel or our web hosting and upload that particular file to the root directory of our website. Once that's uploaded, I can press on verify. So that's one method. But what if you don't have access to web hosting backend? Then you can use HTML tag. You can copy the meta tag and simply find your website theme. In my example, we're looking at WordPress, but if you're using Shopify and so on, simply read the help section whereby you can insert that particular meta tag in the head portion of your website. In my example, it is here. So I can place that within the head portion. So when Google looks at the landing page, it will see that meta tag. So whether you use the HTML file method, meta tag method, if you're using Google Tag Manager, you can use that. Verifying your website is a straightforward process. So now let's actually select done, but that's not verified. Let's add the property, but this time let's select the URL domain prefix method, this method. Let's press continue. Now all you need to do to verify this option is copy whatever Google generates here, but you will need access to your cPanel. Let's go to Zone Editor, your DNS records. You can add a text record, and that is the record. What goes here, usually you leave this blank for most cases. and that's a text record. Save record, then you can verify your property. Okay, so I've shown you URL prefix method, HTML file upload, or meta tag, or the domain verification. Which one should you use? If you can, use the domain option, because that's new and it covers the entire domain. So if you've never used Search Console, don't be overwhelmed with what you've just seen. One way or another, we need to add our website to Search Console and verify its ownership so that we can see the results.